going to do something a little different. You need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. We are going to make Cheetos chicken nuggets, and it's real simple. You just need to get Cheetos, the chip, and crush them. You can stick them in a food processor. I just put mine in like a Ziploc bag and kind of mashed them with a meat tenderizer. Hopefully you can see that. And then you're going to combine it with some all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, and any other seasonings you want. You can do Parm cheese, you can do garlic powder, onion powder, anything like that. Or you can make it spicy, maybe put a little cayenne in it. And then you're going to need an egg wash. You're going to need 1 egg and just a little bit of milk. And these were just boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut into chunks, but you can leave them as tenders if you want to, or chicken fingers, and just cut them into like 1 to 2 inch chunks, not anything big. So I'm gonna put a few in the egg wash. I've already got a lined, I don't know if y'all can see it, I have a lined cookie sheet here, and I sprayed it with some spray. And like I said, preheat your oven to 350 and get that ready. And I'm just going to take these and dredge them in one thing and put them in the other. Now you're going to kind of mash the Cheeto mixture onto them. Okay, let's move this over here. Slide this down. Okay, now I'm going to try to do this and not make a huge mess.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town. I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven. 350 for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to try to keep an eye on it so it don't burn or anything and it doesn't get too overly cooked. But that's it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I paired it with some fries and I am ready to serve. It was pretty easy, a little messy, but as far as something different for chicken, this is a perfect addition. We're going to make creamy sausage pasta with some smoked sausage. You can use kielbasa. You need to get a large skillet and chop up a medium-sized onion and about a pound of smoked sausage. And you need to cook this until the onions are soft. pan. The sausage is just a little bit charred. I'll let that cook. I'll be right back. This would be the time that you would put your garlic in, your minced garlic. I'm just going to put some garlic powder, about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on taste. And then we're going to add the rest of our things. Let me stir this real quick. I went ahead and mixed my 2 cups of chicken stock with my half cup of cream. Go ahead and pour that in. We're going to have a can of diced tomatoes. You're going to put that in there. And your pasta. You're only going to need about 8 ounces. So that's about half of this package. It usually comes in about 1 pound pack or box. And I'm using bow tie pasta. And so we're going to cut the heat up just a little bit to get this going. We're going to bring this to a boil and then we're going to let it simmer to finish everything out. Alright y'all, I'll be back here when it's done. Okay y'all, so I've already done bringing it to a boil and I've already simmered it. So I tested my bow ties and they were good. I like them a little bit al dente. And so the last part of this, we're going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, stir it up. Okay. Again, I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of grated cheddar on top. And I'm just going to let it sit here and melt. And then once it melts, I'll come back and show y'all. It'll be ready to serve. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. Just a few minutes with the lid on and it melted just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and serve. Okay, y'all, I'll see y'all next time.